Jai Hind everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Brigadier's Defense Academy. My name is Divya and today I have come up with a new segment called Defense Bulletin. Here in Defense Bulletin, I'll give you relevant defense related information which will be very important for your upcoming exams. Today we are starting with a new topic called military exercises. इस लेक्चर में हम मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइजेस को समझेंगे, इनकी रेलेवेंस, सिग्निफिकेंस को समझेंगे और फिर एक कंट्री का एग्जांपल लेंगे इंडिया के साथ. शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास. मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइजेस. सो मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइजेस इज अ मेथड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग एंड प्रैक्टिसिंग मिलिट्री ऑपरेशंस विदाउट एक्चुअल बीइंग इन द बैटल जोन. आपने एक कोट जरूर सुना होगा, द मोर यू स्वेट इन पीस द लेस यू ब्लीड इन वॉर. इन मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइजेस, थ्रू मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइजेस इस तरीके की कंडीशन, बैटलफील्ड कंडीशन प्रोड्यूस की जाती है, सो दैट आर्मी कैन लर्न थ्रू दीज एक्सपीरियंसेस. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग, द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइजेस. If we talk about the significance of the military exercises और इन military exercises की क्या importance है, क्यों country military exercises को करती है, तो इसमें हमें समझ में आएगा that it enhances the military diplomacy. Through military exercises, we can enhance, we can improve the military diplomacy with other countries. Not only this, it improves coordination at the time of providing humanitarian aid and providing disaster relief. During the disasters like earthquake and many other disasters, the countries military come together and provide the disaster relief. At that time, these military exercises proved very beneficial. Let's move to the next one. Promote the feeling of brotherhood. Well friends, when all the different armies come together, जब वो साथ में आते हैं और साथ में इस तरीके के battlefield में made battlefield में आके practices करते हैं, that somehow increases the feeling of brotherhood. Moving to the next one, it help in familiarizing with the new technologies. Imagine करते हैं India is doing a military exercise with America. So definitely India will see American using their new technologies. इसकी वजह से Indians military को भी, Indian army को भी, they can also familiarize with the new technology. They get to know about their working, they get to know about what new technologies these people are taking. Now we'll take one example now. In today's lecture, we are talking about India and France. We have taken two countries, India and France, and we're going to talk about all the military exercises done by these two countries. So let's start with the first one. The first exercise is Exercise Shakti. Exercise Shakti is a bilateral exercise between Indian Army and French Army. Okay? Now let's move to the next one. The next is Exercise Varuna. एक्सरसाइज वरुणा ये एक बायलेटरल नेवल एक्सरसाइज है जो दोनों नेवी के बीच में होती है, इंडियन नेवी एज वेल एज फ्रेंच नेवी. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. द नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज गरुड़. एक्सरसाइज गरुड़ is an air exercise between the air force of both of the countries. Okay, now we have exercise Desert Night. Now exercise Desert Night is again a bilateral air exercise between Indian Air Force and French Air and Space Force. Now these three were already there. What is important in this lecture is this particular exercise, which is Fringex. Remember one thing, this Fringex, it stands for, FR stands for France, IN stands for India, J for joint and E for exercise. What makes it important is that this Fringex exercise, it is a maiden exercise. It started this year only and it happened in India, in Kerala around 7th to 8th March. So that becomes very, very important, very useful for this particular, very useful for your exams. That's all for in this lecture. A little question for you. You need to tell me the president and the capital of France. Do write down the answer in the comment section. And keep hustling guys. Keep working hard. We'll meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.